and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Sequans Communications has added 755 more bitcoins to its corporate treasury, bringing its total holdings to 3,072 BTC, now worth approximately $358.5 million. The semiconductor firm, known for its 4G and 5G IoT chips, used proceeds from a recent equity raise to fund the $88.5 million purchase. Sequans has adopted Bitcoin as its primary reserve asset, accumulating over time via equity, debt, and IP revenue. The company now holds roughly 0.17% of all Bitcoin in circulation, reinforcing its long-term crypto strategy. BTCS Incorporation has added 14,240 Ether to its reserves, bringing total Ethereum holding to 70,028 Ether, worth roughly $270 million at current prices. The blockchain-focused firm also closed a $10 million capital raise through above-market convertible notes priced at a 198% premium to its July 18 stock close. CEO Charles Allen hailed the deal as proof of investor confidence in BTCS's DeFi TradeFi accretion flywheel strategy. Year to date, BTCS has raised $207 million through equity sales, debt, and DeFi borrowing. Mara Holdings, the world's largest publicly traded Bitcoin miner, has raised $950 million through a private offering of zero-interest convertible notes due 2032. The company plans to use part of the proceeds to buy more Bitcoin and expand its treasury. An additional $200 million may be raised if initial purchasers exercise their option, pushing the total to $1 billion. Mara has already used $18.3 million to repurchase older debt and $36.9 million for capped call costs. China-based Web3 firm Nanolabs has boosted its BNB reserves to 128,000 tokens, now worth over $108 million. The company recently acquired 8,000 additional BNB via an OTC deal at an average of $801 per token. With a total average acquisition price of $713, Nanolabs is deepening its commitment to the BNB ecosystem. The firm plans further expansion through continued token accumulation, strategic acquisition of BNB-focused firms, and investments in BNB-centric enterprises to solidify its position. Tether has minted another $1 billion USDT on the Tron blockchain, bringing Tron's total USDT supply to $82.69 billion, more than half of the $164.5 billion USDT in circulation. With this, Tron overtakes Ethereum as the leading network for USDT. Founder Justin Sun credits Tron's speed, stability, and accessibility. The surge in USDT adoption has pushed Tron's weekly transaction count above 16 million, making it the third most active blockchain behind Solana and Base. PayPal has launched a new feature allowing US merchants to accept payments in over 100 cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to meme coins like Trump coin and Fartcoin. Any business using PayPal's online payment platform can opt in. Transactions will be converted via exchanges into PayPal's PYUSD and finally settled in US dollars. For the first time, PayPal will charge a promotional fee of 0.99%. This move marks PayPal's deepening commitment to crypto payments and digital assets in 2025. The US SEC has delayed its decision on the Trump Social Bitcoin ETF, giving itself until September 18 to approve or reject the proposal. The ETF was filed in June by Trump Media and Technology Group, which owns Truth Social. This delay is part of a broader regulatory pause under new SEC Chairman Paul Atkins. Other crypto ETFs, including Grayscale Solana Trust and a Litecoin ETF from Canary Capital, also face postponements as the agency weighs issues like staking and redemption mechanics. Nasdaq-listed Upexi Incorporation has signed a $500 million equity line agreement with Alliance Global Partners to expand its Solana treasury. The consumer brand firm aims to use proceeds for general purposes and to strengthen its growing crypto strategy. Upexi recently acquired 100,000 SOL via a $200 million private placement, pushing its total holdings to 1.81 million SOL, worth about $331 million. Most of the tokens are staked with projected annual yield revenue of $26 million at current rates. Millcity Ventures has launched a $450 million treasury strategy centered on acquiring Sui tokens, marking a major shift from its traditional finance model. The Minnesota-based firm will allocate 98% of the funds raised through a private placement to Sui purchases. The move makes Millcity one of the first US companies to adopt Sui, a Layer 1 blockchain, as its core treasury asset. The plan includes open market buys, private deals, and direct arrangements with the Sui Foundation. Cboe BZX exchange has filed to list the Invesco Galaxy Solana ETF, giving US investors regulated access to Sol with staking rewards. If approved, the ETF will hold actual Solana tokens and stake a portion through trusted validators. The fund will track Solana's spot price using the Luca Prime reference rate, updating every 15 seconds. This filing follows the launch of the first US Solana staking ETF, making Invesco's version one of the earliest spot Sol ETFs with added yield potential. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3worstchief.io or scan the QR code.